Hi, welcome to our channel, 2024 Audi S7 review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros: attractive and refined interior, brimming with high-tech features, large cargo capacity. Cons: infotainment system can be distracting to use, limited rear headroom. What's new? Minor appearance and equipment updates, part of the second A7 generation introduced for 2019. Overview: based on the A6 sedan, the Audi A7 features a dramatically tapered roof and a large liftback that reveals a roomy 24.6 cubic foot cargo area. The 2024 Audi S7 is a sport-tuned version of the A7, but isn't quite as thrilling to drive as the more powerful, performance-oriented Audi RS7. For 2024, Audi alters the S7's front styling, offers a new wheel design, adds fresh paint colors, and installs improved cabin lighting in most versions of the car. Remote engine start via smartphone app is now available too. MSRP range: $84,500, $91,900. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.